Hello! Good afternoon! Happy Wednesday, guys! Kakatapos ko lang magpa-feed kay Isla, baby. Pinapa-burp siya ni Dan. Tingnan nyo naman na bata. Kumusta?
Hello, people. Look at her face. Gotta get close up on her face.
Aww, I just heard a really loud burp. Was that you? Was that you? Are you drunk? Yes, you are. You are very drunk, hey? Very drunk baby. Huh? Oh, nah, she's gonna sleep later.
Hopefully.
When I was feeding her, I heard her bum bum as well. Yeah. Yeah, really good burper and really good farter you are, baby.
She is very good.
Yeah, kanina sobrang lakas ng burp niya. Nandun ako sa toilet ba? Narinig ko yung burp.
Yeah. Her head was turned like that.
Yeah.
So I just straightened her head up.
Yeah.
Lifted it, and then she just, yeah.
Yeah. And then I burped you as well in the middle of feeding. Pinapa-burp ko siya kapag nagpapahinga siya from feeding. Parang dami na niyang nakain ba. So, pinapa-burp ko siya. And usually, nagbe-burp siya 2 beses in between feeding. And then, nagbe-burp na naman siya after. So, she is such a good burper. And a good farter. And a really good pooer.
She is. Oh, she's relaxing now. She's chilled.
Good girl, Baba. Good girl.
Let's have a... You flick it over, babe? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. See, she's just chilling.
Very good angle, princess.
She's blowing bubbles.
We can see all your chins.
4 chins.
All 4 chins.
There you go. That's
Yes.
better. No, I better lift her up. She's getting a bit... So I'm going to open up the present now, my love.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, let's see. Let's see what you got. So another
Do you want me to hold her?
No, we can do it together.
Okay.
I think we can. Can we do it together? Alright, so one of my clients gave me this today. So I haven't seen it. Raz saw it.
I did. I couldn't wait.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
Look at your pretty little dress.
Look at that,
That's a
princess.
nice colour.
I know. Really, really
That's a
nice.
really nice colour.
Oh!
That's a poo. That's a poo.
Oh my gosh. Do you think they heard that? That was pretty loud.
Did you hear that?
I heard
Oh,
it.
they heard it.
Did you guys hear that?
Comment below if you heard it. Okay, little poo monster. Look at your present. And that's really nice. You got a
Yeah.
dress, some shorts,
Yeah, really nice.
and a headband.
Yeah.
Mum likes a headband. Oh, she look cute in this. These are really nice
I
colours.
know.
Ah.
It's from Seed. And it comes with a receipt as well. Just a return receipt, no price.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you don't like it, you can return it. Or maybe
that's
like
really
exchange it if you like.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, client.
Thank you. Rena and Elio.
Elio.
Elio. Rena
Okay.
and Elio.
Aw,
Thank
thanks
you, Rena and Elio.
guys.
I'm sure they don't watch your videos, but yeah.
They don't watch it. Thank you. This is so cute. So
Rena's
cute.
actually, she's in film production. And she's
Oh,
actually
is she?
filming a movie at the moment with Zac Efron.
Is she really?
Yeah. Zac Efron's in Adelaide filming.
Okay.
Yeah.
Aw, thank you, Rena. 0
yours?
to 00.
00.
So 3 to 6 months.
Mwah.
You're gonna look really cute in this, princess. This is so cute.
We should hang that one up. So yeah.
And I really like this one as well because it's adjustable. It's not too tight. Or you can make it tighter if you like.
You
Yeah.
can grow to your big head.
Tingnan nyo, oh, cute. Thank you.
Now let's see what disaster we got here.
Oh, you will change her now?
No, I think someone's going to change it.
I can't change her.
Should put the camera there or not?
Okay, sige.
I can see the shock. We're pretty sure she's done a poo. So this is when you find out how bad it is. Alright, let's find out how
I don't
bad.
think it's that bad.
We'll see.
I changed her before.
No, it doesn't matter. This is a new one.
Yeah.
Oh, you little monster.
It's okay, princess.
Right.
Daddy will change.
Oh, not too bad.
Yeah, not too bad.
It flew up high though. Like,
Yeah.
oh, get your foot out of it. Ugh. It's still disgusting.
Still not used to it.
Yeah.
I'm used to it.
She's
done like
a lot lately.
really bad ones. So this is for me nothing.
Yeah. Ugh.
Yeah.
Let's lift you.
But this is better. It's not as
No,
wet.
this is alright.
This is a bit grainy.
This is not the yeah, it is a bit grainy.
Yeah, so it's easier to clean.
This is not the worst one by a long shot. It's not too bad actually. Probably one of the better.
I've done the worst ones.
Have you?
Yeah.
Might have to put a bit of.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll put a pineapple.
We'll put a pineapple there so no one can see your vajaj.
Princess. Mwah. Such a cutie princess. Such a drunk princess.
That'll be good enough. Let's wrap her. Look at her belly.
Yeah.
Big
Diba ang dami
belly,
kong mga...
big belly.
Yung gusto ko sana na diaper to, she's by Tom.
Gotta lift her up over. I'll get the brother underneath.
Kaya lang si Dan.
Okay.
Gusto niya yung Huggies kasi merong wetness indicator. Mas madali para sa
These look
kanya.
alright, aren't the Huggies, babe?
Yeah.
Good girl.
Good job, Isla.
And that's a clean baby for you right there. Wave to the fans. You got lots of fans out there, my love. Mwah. Okay. Good job.
Good job, Eileen. Good job, my love.
Thank you.
You're getting really good at changing nappies. Yeah.
Should become a professional nappy changer. My own little shop. You bring your dirty babies to me. Wipe them.
Alright, let's unbox my phone.
Sure, let's have the lights on the way.
You wanna sit down?
Yeah, we'll sit down.
Yeah.
Oh.
So I ordered a phone because yung gamit ko na phone is yung luma ko pa talaga na phone, guys. Yung pinakaunang phone ko dito sa Australia. Actually, hindi ko to binayaran. Ano to siya? Staff plan sa Telstra.
Okay.
So I've had this for what? 3 and a bit? Almost 4 years now?
Okay.
This is the iPhone 7 Plus. Anyway, I got the iPhone 11. Was that last year? Yeah, iPhone 11 last year. But then, Dan broke his phone. So I had to give him my iPhone 11.
The phone broke. I didn't break it. The phone just broke.
He always breaks his phone. So I always have to hand him my phones. So maybe this phone will end up with him.
Probably will.
Yeah.
Is it a big one?
It is.
I don't want that one.
Oh, whatever. You'll see. You'll like
it's
it.
too big.
Yeah. Last time kasi, yung iPhone 11, pinili ko yung maliit kasi, like, ayoko din ng malaking phone. But then, when I started using this, sabi ko, it's not too big. And this is the Plus. Anyway, i-open mo na natin. Ala, you sent me something.
I'm taking some photos.
Oh, okay. When?
When you're feeding.
Ah, oh, wow.
They put down the steel.
Alright. Oh, wow. Cool. Alright, cool. Alright, let's unbox this. I got this today, guys. So, I didn't buy it outright this time. Last year kasi binili ko siya outright. Tapos, nung bayad na kami ng tax namin, sabi ng kuya ni Dan, yung accountant namin, sabi niya, bakit may in-outright? Alam mo ba na wala kang na-save kahit na piso? I didn't really save anything buying it outright. Sabi ko, wala, hindi ko napansin. Hindi ko chinek yung presyo eh. Sabi niya, wala kang masisave. Might as well i-plan siya. Tapos, makiklaim mo pa sa tax every month kapag plinan mo siya. Kapag binili mo siya outright, ito, Adulting 101. Pag binili mo siya outright kasi, kapag claim mo siya sa tax, ano siya, i-deduct yung depreciation, something na lang. Yeah, basta may ganun kasi nagde-depreciate yung price ng phone. So, sabi niya, next time, i-plan mo na lang kung wala ka namang masisave na malaki talaga. And wala. Kapag plinan ko siya or binili ko siya outright, same lang talaga yung babayaran ko. Kung mayroon ng difference, $1.
$1.
I know. Mabilis siya. Sobrang bilis. I ordered this yesterday.
Was it?
Yeah.
Wow, that was quick.
Was it yesterday?
Say Monday.
Monday. Monday day.
Yeah, but we will do it Monday.
But still.
Monday.
Today is Wednesday.
Yeah, 2 days to get delivered. That's pretty good.
Pero I ordered it through Telstra. Hindi sa Apple talaga. Kasi feeling ko if I order it sa Apple, it will take a bit. Yeah.
But they're pretty quick though.
Apple?
Yeah, you probably get it. But look, Telstra is quick. 2 days is pretty good.
Yeah, yeah.
2 days.
So I ordered it sa Telstra kasi nga, plinan ko siya, guys. Yung ano ko kasi ngayon, plan ko ngayon, walang phone kasi nga, matagal na tong wala sa plan tong phone na to. Anyway, this is what it looks like. I got the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I actually waited kasi tinanong ko muna si Miss kasi nag-order siya ng iPhone 12. And then, Sisi's actually returning her iPhone 12 Pro because she wanted the Pro Max. She said the Pro Max is better. Yeah, so sabi ni Miss, maganda daw yung Pro Max because Michelle got the Pro Max. And she said, comparing it, Pro Max is way better.
Okay.
I got it in gold, plus
Did you?
Yes.
Okay.
I know.
You're gonna regret that.
Why? You put a case anyway. Iniisip ko kasi mapupunta talaga sa kanya to. Lahat ng gamit ko napupunta sa kanya. It's gold. It's fine, baby. We'll put a case on it. Right, princess? Yeah, anyway, let's unbox it. Let's do the satisfying part. Uy.
Wow.
Very satisfying.
Right.
That was a fail. Very nice and sleek.
Da, 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 da.
So my gold...
It's a phone.
It is a phone.
And whoa.
Over.
Whoa. See that, Isla?
Ala, look at that.
Now suck on
Baba. Seriously, it's just a phone. Okay, and then that.
Have you got a cover coming for it?
No.
What?
I didn't expect it's gonna come this early, babe.
I don't think use it until you get a cover.
I didn't expect it's gonna come this early because
Yeah.
people are saying like, oh my gosh, if you order the gold, it's gonna take forever.
Who said that?
Well, Sisi said it first. She pre-ordered the iPhone 12 Pro. It was supposed to arrive mid-November and she got it like later November. She just got it recently.
Now get a cover before you start using it.
Yeah, look at this.
Otherwise you're gonna get damaged. You're gonna be upset.
Ready, guys?
It looks good though. It looks pretty.
Yeah. See, it's
fancy.
not as big. Look at this. It's pretty much the same.
Chuck a cover on it, it'll be a bit bigger, but.
And I'm used to using this now, so I figured I should be alright using the
Sure.
Max. Yeah, look. It's really nice.
It is very nice.
Yeah. It's got the gold trim. The back is not as gold. It's not as
No,
gold.
it's not. No, it looks
Yeah.
good. It looks.
It's very light. It's kind of like a light wash of gold. And we will take really good pictures of you. Kasi yung problema nito, matagal na kasi itong may problema. Kaya nga bumili ako ng iPhone 11. Hindi mo naririnig ng maayos kung may kausap ka sa phone, which is importante sa akin kasi lagi akong may kausap, especially now with Isla, yung mga appointments and all that. Plus, it dies really quick as well. Yung battery niya hindi na ganun ka-okay. Kaya lagi na lang siyang naka-charge. So, kailangan ko na talaga siyang palitan. Are you right, princess?
She's good.
Do you need to slay it now?
Hello.
Hello?
Australia.
See, it's not too bad actually, my love.
No, it's fine.
Yeah.
Just get a don't use it until you get a cover. Can you do that later? I'll do it. Alright guys, I'm gonna go put Isla to bed.
Wow! Sige nga, try.
Yeah, let me sit on the couch.
Pakita natin yung OOTD mo before kita i-wrap. OOTD! This is from Uncle Tristan and Auntie Anne's. Hey! Really cute! Princess! Hello! Hello! Happy baby! Happy baby! Full baby! Chubby cheeks baby! No? Alright, i-wrap ka na ni Mami. Para matulog na. Na? Sige. Say good night, guys. Night. Later, pagising ko, maliligo ako. Diba?
Hello people. Let's clean that as the sun. Alright, so Raz is tired, exhausted, and Isla was having a bit of a little sook, so I said to her I'm taking her for a drive. So just driving up to the block now, and as soon as we put Isla in the car, she's nice and asleep or relaxing, so she's right there. So at the block I'll show you what they've done. The concrete slab's getting poured next week, and today they done all the steel, so all the steel frame foundations all been done there, and yes, concrete next week, and I start building after that. So far this week with Isla has been better than last week. Last week she was just crazy, but this week she's been a little bit more relaxed. She's growing a fair bit. We're taking her to the doctors tomorrow for a checkup, and in 2 weeks time or a week's time she's getting a few more vaccines into her. Yeah, so alright guys, I'll show you when we get to the block. Okay people, so at our block, and I'll show you what work has happened this week here. Okay, so that's house next door. That's just our pile of dirt, that's on our block. Our block is here. It's about 357 square meters, so it's not a massive block, but we're going to build a 2-story house here, and I really like the area, so does Raz, so that's what made us stay here. Our last house was in the same area. We're about 10 kilometers from the city, right next to the hills. Good schools around here, good shops. So as you can see, they've just put down steel piping. All those are little pipes there. So this would be the double garage. There's going to be a porch that goes through there. There's a laundry, kitchen, living area, and we have like an alfresco area out the back. So I'll show you more a bit later. I just gotta go grab Isla. Okay guys, we made it home in one piece. Isla is still chilling. Great. She's been bloody great actually. So slept the whole time, and let's go see Mummy. Hoping Mummy's sleeping. Raz needs a rest, and we can eat some lasagna. Are you ready, Isla, to eat lasagna? Yes, Daddy, let's go eat. Okay, we're gonna eat, guys. See you later.
Hello, what you doing? What you doing? This one, oh? Hala, tutulugan mo lang yung mga toys na yan. Sleepy much? Sleepy much, princess? Sleepy much, Isla? Hey? Let's do tummy time real quick. Sige? Sige. Oops! That's a fun! That's a fun! Let's do tummy time. Go, Isla! Go, Isla! Tummy time, good girl! Come on, you can do it! Good girl! Yay! Go, Isla! Go, Isla! Good girl! Good job! Good job! Good job! Very strong, Baba. Good job. Yep. Yep. Good girl, you're doing great. You are doing great. Huh? Yes. 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 There you go. Gabi na, guys. Nagpalit ako kasi naihian na naman ako. Pinaliguan namin si Isla. Natutulog na siya. Inihian niya ako, so pinalitan ko yung top ko. Mag-aano kami ni Dan? Cheese platter. Kasi di ba nung nag-lockdown, bumili siya ng mga cheese. Kasi siya yung nag-shopping, di ba? Hindi namin nakain kasi hindi natuloy yung 6 days na lockdown. So sabi niya, one night kainin natin yun. So meron tayong cheese platter na ganap dito. I-prepare ko lang. So we have this, wow, British Yorkshire? Yorkshire eh. Merong cranberries na cheese, and then we have salami, Pang cheese platter talaga siya. Where are the other cheeses?
Oh, it's only two. Give me that one, brie.
Where's the brie? Ah.
Oh, sorry, babe.
Gosh. We got crackers. So, i-prepare lang natin to, ha? So, sabi niya, ano daw kami, maghanap daw kami ng movie sa Netflix. Char. Nag-dinner na kami kanina, pero konti lang yung kinain namin. Nag-share lang kami ng isang dairy meal kasi nga gusto namin kainin tong cheese platter na to. Sana may paano tayo, babe? May platter talaga tayo ba?
Yeah, so what do we have?
We've got like a stone one, but do you really want to take that? Nah, let's just use this. This is fine.
Yeah.
Do you want me to cut all the salami?
Maybe not all of it.
Yeah, half lang, no?
Cut, let's get like, well, a couple, but just maybe half of it.
Okay. Hala. So, unggunin natin pag-abligo. Ang sarap ng tulog ni Ayla kasi kakatapos niya lang maligo. Hindi na muna natin uubusin, pero iiwan lang natin yan dyan. Feeling ko mauubos talaga yung cheese. So, labas natin yung cheese. Gusto ko itong brie. Hindi din kasi ako pwede niya noon. Babe, let's finish the cheese, ha? Let's finish the cheese.
What's wrong with the cheese?
Let's finish it.
Yeah, that cheese out.
Yeah.
Oh, more salami. You need much salami, babe?
Huh? I'm leaving that there.
Okay. All
Yeah.
around.
Oh, that's nice and crumbly.
I just saw it, but I haven't had that one before.
We haven't?
No, I haven't had that one before.
Okay. And then this. Do we have any other crackers or that's it?
So we
This is
got-
it. Okay.
There's a lot of crackers.
Yeah. Alright, now let's choose a movie. We
Yeah.
have like a cheese.
Do we?
Yeah, we do. I don't know where it is. It's like a really cute one as well. See?
Charge your battery, babe?
Yes, please. Well, this is not the one I'm talking about, but we have this. This is cool. We've got like a whole set. I don't know where it is. Here we go, our simple cheese platter. We're finished with our Netflix and chilling. What did we watch, my love? We watched a series, yung Christmas.
Lily and Dash?
Lily and Dash, yes. We watched 3 episodes. And now it is, hala, 10:35 na. Meron kaming PD appointment bukas. Ayla is still asleep. I'm just gonna refill my water, guys. Meron pa din tong ice. Wait, check natin. What did you vlog outside, babe?
I did crap.
Yeah?
Wasn't very good, but...
Wasn't very good. Fail pala yung pag-ano ko ng salami kanina. Mayroon pala yung skin na kailangan i-peel off. Yung mga nakat ko, kailangan pantanggalin ni Dan yung skin. Sorry naman. Lagyan natin ito ng ice at saka tubig. And then, skincare tayo. Ayla is still asleep. Chubby cheeks. Late na, guys. Hinihintay ko lang na magising si Ayla para pakainin ko siya before ako matulog. Kasi feeling ko kapag natulog ako ngayon, siguro gigising na yan mamaya. Pero kanina pa ako naghihintay, hindi pa nagigising. Sana natulog na lang ako. Ano ba yan? What time are we leaving tomorrow?
11:30, is it?
Yeah.
I'll leave her at 11, just after.
Just after 11? Yeah. May PD appointment kami sa kanya eh. Alright. Anyway, i-close ko na lang tong vlog. Gusto ko na tuloy siya gisingin. I kinda wanna wake her up.
Wake her up and feed her.
Just to feed her, no?
Yeah, nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
Better than waiting on the screen. Look, she's
Yeah.
long enough.
Thank you guys for watching. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Please like this video if you did enjoy. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. I hope to see you guys soon. Be good. Good night. Good night. Wala.
Good night, people.
Bye. Good night, Ayla. Ang sarap naman tulog ng aming Ayla, oy.